This winter, your houseplants might be in more danger than you think. Cold nights, sudden temperature drops, and weak daylight can silently damage them. Some plants won't show symptoms until it's already too late. And by the time you notice the signs, the damage may be irreversible. But don't worry, my friend. We're not going to let your plants suffer this winter. Stay with me. Just subscribe to the channel so you never miss a life-saving tip. And hit the little bell icon to get notified when new videos drop. And at the end of the video, I'll show you the 5 houseplants that are the most sensitive to cold weather. In winter, temperature shock happens fast. When the night gets too cold, the plant's cells freeze, soften and collapse. Leaves drop suddenly. Stems weaken. And new growth stops. Low winter light is another silent killer. With short days and weak sun, your plants can't make enough energy. Soil stays wet for too long, and roots begin to stress. Overwatering becomes extremely risky in cold weather. Cold soil dries slowly, and that leads to root rot. Most winter plant deaths actually come from too much water, not too little. Indoor heaters also create dry air. Humidity drops. Leaf tips burn. And sensitive plants start to crisp at the edges. This stress can build up day after day. But here's what you can do to protect your plants. Keep them away from cold windows at night. Water less, and only when the top of the soil is dry. Give them the brightest spot in your home, or add a small grow light. Increase humidity with a tray of water, or a gentle humidifier. These simple steps can save your plants during the entire winter season. And now, here are 5 of the most sensitive houseplants in cold weather. Calathea, known for its beautiful leaves, but very weak in low temperatures. Alocasia, a tropical plant that reacts quickly to cold drafts. Fiddle leaf fig, easily stressed by sudden temperature changes. Peperomia, small but very sensitive to cold soil. And Monstera albo, a stunning plant, but fragile in winter conditions. If this video helps you, share it with a friend who loves plants. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a winter survival tip. And as always, may your plants stay healthy and may your home stay full of green life.